The Supreme Court has ruled to uphold the Food and Drug Administration's approval of Mifepristone and ensure the provisions put in place to make it easier to obtain were allowed to continue while the legal challenges surrounding the abortion drug rage on. Judge Matthew Kacsmaryk in Texas ruled to suspend the FDA's approval of the drug, which has been in place for 23 years, saying that they violated the federal accelerated approval rule and that subsequent actions around the drug were unlawful. One major assertion by anti-abortion medical groups who brought the case to Kacsmaryk was that the FDA didn't give full consideration regarding the side effects of the drug. In response to this charge, a CNN article points out that you are 4 times more likely to die from penicillin and are 10 times there are 10 times as many deaths from taking Viagra as deaths reported for folks using mifepristone. So it's significantly safer than commonly accepted drugs on the market. The Supreme Court ruled 7-2 in favor of the stay to continue allowing the prescription of mifepristone, with Justices Alito and Thomas dissenting. In a statement submitted to the court, the Justice Department wrote, quote, "The district court countermanded a scientific judgment FDA has maintained across 5 administrations, nullified the approval of a drug that has been safely used by millions of Americans over more than 2 decades, and upset reliance interests in a healthcare system that depends on the availability of mifepristone as an alternate to surgical abortion for women who choose to lawfully terminate their pregnancies." This doesn't mean that access to the drug is guaranteed, however, as the legal fight around this drug is just ramping up. In response to the ruling, President Biden released a statement saying, "As a result of the Supreme Court stay, mifepristone remains available and approved for safe and effective use while we continue this fight in the courts. I continue to stand by FDA's evidence-based approval of mifepristone, and my administration will continue to defend FDA's independent expert authority to review, approve, and regulate a wide range of prescription drugs." So while this is far from over, while this is far from assuring that that drug will be available permanently, it is for now. And we'll just have to wait and see what other challenges are made against the drug and how this legal battle between the Biden administration and this Texas court, how that plays out.